In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mistral AI to chat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the official site, open the chat interface called Le Chat, and start a clear, productive conversation with the model. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your search engine of choice. In the search bar, type Mistral AI. This is the quickest way to reach the official website without memorizing a URL. Search results can change over time, so don't worry if the order looks a little different on your screen. What matters is choosing the legitimate result that takes you to Mistral's homepage. In the results, look for the link titled something like Mistral AI, Frontier AI LLMs, Assistants, Agents, Services. Click that. Before you proceed, give the address bar a quick glance to make sure you're on the Mistral.ai domain. This is a simple habit that helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you're using the genuine service. Once the Mistral site loads, find the Try Studio button near the top navigation. You'll see a small drop-down arrow or caret next to it. Instead of clicking the main button, click that drop-down. This reveals different entry points to Mistral's tools, and it's the easiest way to jump straight into chat without browsing through multiple pages. From the drop-down menu, select Le Chat. That's Mistral's conversational interface. It should open in a new tab or window and bring you to the chat page. You'll see a message box at the bottom of the screen and space above it where responses will appear. If you encounter any prompts related to region or sign-in, follow the on-screen guidance and continue to the chat once you're ready. Now you're set to talk with Mistral. Click into the message box and type what you want to ask. Be direct and specific to get the best results. For example, instead of help with email, try draft a friendly follow-up email confirming a meeting next Tuesday at 10 a.m., concise and professional. If you're seeking explanations, mention your context like your experience level or goal. When your message looks good, press enter or click send. The response will appear above, and you can refine it by asking follow-up questions or clarifying details. Remember not to share private or sensitive information in your prompts. That's it. You search for Mistral AI, open the official site, use the Try Studio dropdown, launch Le Chat, and started your first conversation. Enjoy exploring, iterate on your prompts, and keep your questions clear for the best outcomes.